boys and girls? Welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. We have a new song from Sombr. My body isn't ready. Just that title sucks you into the song and gets you interested. And yeah, this is a great song. We love Sombr here. So let's go into this one together. Before we move on with this tutorial, I need to highlight my new channel, Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago, a new YouTube channel where you're gonna play a full song from A to Z, with chords shown, a full playthrough. So if you wanna thank me for all the work I'm doing for you on this channel, then go and subscribe to my new channel, Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago, link up here somewhere. Now let's focus on this one. No need for any capo here. We have a couple of chords, like 7 or so. Let's start with the chords, and we're gonna start with F. That's how the song starts. So it's a bar chord. You place index finger like this on the first fret to push down all strings there. Then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. Next chord will be the C, and that goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have the A sharp. We're gonna go with the sus2 version. So that's again a bar chord, again on the first fret. This time you don't have to push down the last E string in the bass, but the 5 strings below are necessary. And then you need to add third D and third G. We have the D minor as well. Okay, so that goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. We also have the G minor in the chorus. And that's another bar, this time on the third fret. You push down all strings there. Then you need to add fifth A and fifth D. We have A minor as well, played in the bridge. So open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E, and finally the G. And that goes third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. All right, so let's start with the first verse and the first chord, and we need to know how to handle them. So we're gonna look into the string pattern first. Grab the F, and one string around goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna play down, up, down, up, down, a short pause, and then up. And it goes like this. And that up works kind of as a bridge. If you consider playing a lot of string rounds, it will be up and then down, up, 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 down, and so on. So a couple of rounds. All right, so let's go into the song. First verse, we have two halves, so to speak. The first half goes F4, C4, A sharp 4, F2, and C2. The second half is just a small little bit of adjustment there in the first chord. So instead of playing F4 now, you replace that with D minor 4. Everything else follows there. So D minor 4 second half, then C4, A sharp 4, F2, C2. I'm gonna play for you the first half. I think that is enough, and then you will understand. You just replace that with the D minor. So F, C, A sharp, F, and C. Let's go. Okay, so there you have the first half, and then D minor in the next, and that's it for the first verse. Then at 1 minute and 51 seconds in, it starts the first chorus. I like you, that's where in the lyrics. And now you're gonna play the G minor, 2 string rounds, then A sharp 2, F2, and C2. You're gonna play that chord progression for 2 rounds. Let's do 1 round together. It goes like this. Two rounds of that, and that is the chorus. Okay, guys, so we are going into the second round of this song. The second verse played exactly in the same way in the second verse, and exactly in the same way in the second chorus as we just learned. Then after that second chorus comes the bridge part. We now hit the 3 minute and like 16 second mark. If I Could Crawl, that's where in the lyrics. Now you're gonna play A sharp 2, C2, A minor 2, and D minor 2. You're gonna play that part for 2 rounds, and after you play that 2 rounds, you're gonna stay on that G and play it for 4 string rounds, and that will end the bridge. I'm gonna play 1 round for you: A sharp, C, A minor, D minor, 2 string rounds per chord, like this. Two rounds of that, and then you're gonna finalize this with a G4, and that's the bridge. And after that, you're gonna jump into the third and final chords. Guess what? You're gonna play in the same way. You're gonna double up the rounds. So instead of playing 2 rounds, you're gonna play 4 rounds of that G minor, A sharp, F, and C. And that's it, guys. Sombr's My Body Isn't Ready. That's a cool title, a cool song. We love him, his voice, and everything around him. So thank you for watching, and yes, thank you for all your support, guys. Really appreciate that a lot. So hope to see you soon. Until next time, play tuned.